I am dreading this.
Somebody actually made the effort of putting that into a piping bag.
It might be the worst thing I think we've ever done.
There is no way to prepare yourself for this.
I don't know what to do.
That's annoying!
Looks terrible. We're hiding these. Ow! What is going on here?
This is a joke.
Where's the dish? This should be really obvious.
Oh dear, oh dear. So here we are in a social distancing Pass It On. Boys, are you ready for a theme?
Oh, I've missed that voice.
Don't be weird, Barry. Today's theme is pastry. You must create 5 delicious, identical pastries.
Oh,
Shoe pastry,
hell.
we kind of nailed not too long ago-ish.
There's some puff pastry already pre-rolled out there. That sounds good. Janice, do we have an order?
Due to the poor effort and lack of standards in our previous brunch-themed Pass It On, I would like to entrust James as the leader of this challenge. He will choose the order.
I think she's got a favourite. We know she's got a favourite.
One by one, the guys will have 10 minutes to contribute to the same dish, which will be judged a pass or fail at the end of the challenge.
Hi. I don't necessarily want to use pre-made pastry. The 5 individual element is kind of patisserie. So I'm thinking like 5 little cakes that all look exactly the same, and we make one sponge and then we kind of cut it out into like squares, and then the guys can make like a buttercream or something to go in it. I've got some rhubarb. I thought a rhubarb jam would be really nice. I think the real difficulty here is going to actually be relaying information to people and them actually understanding what I want to do. So I'm going to cream the butter and sugar. I've got some eggs. I'm going to put the eggs in. Also, I'm going to put some food colouring in because I think it'd be really nice if you kind of like go into it and it's like bright pink or something. Gotta be quick.
Everything seems to be going well. I spoke too soon.
Janice! Janice, you put me off! Janice! I cracked like half an eggshell into the mix. Oh no! That's never happened to me before. Oh no! 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 It's fine. It's fine. I'm not much of a baker, you know. I don't think I beat the butter and the sugar together enough, but I don't really care anymore. Basically, my aim of this is to get the sponge in because I know it's going to need like 20 minutes. Right, the orange goes in and a little like splash of milk. What have I got? 1 minute 45. I need to line a baking tray. Oh, there's a lot of flour that has not been folded in here. We're good though, we're fine. So I want quite a thin layer. Oh my goodness me. This was a silly idea. We could have just used ready-made pastry and it would have been fine. That's going in the oven. I need to look like I've done something more than just do pastry, so I'm going to do this. I didn't even put red food colouring in it. I'm going to give myself a 4 out of 10 because I'm not sure I did a great job. Can Ben fix it in the middle, or does he need to be next to fix it? I think Barry next, and then Ben, and then Mike, and then Jamie. I want to put Jamie last because they should pretty much be constructed by then, so he should just have to choose a plate. Although, you guys will find it funny if it's not constructed by then. So I think everybody will win if Jamie goes last. Barry!
Oh, that's a delicious batter. What's it going to make? I don't know. You're making cake. Is cake a pastry? And he's making one big cake. The aim was to make 5. Oh, what is he expecting us to do? Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I may as well make some components to go with those cakes. So we have some rhubarb here. So let's put that on the hob. Okay, water, get that bubbling away. Let's get some lime juice in there as well.
Lime, are we sure?
I don't know what this is for. This is going to make some sort of rhubarby, jammy sort of thing. Something tart. We need some sort of icing with this, I suppose. We're going to make a meringue butter cream. Sure. First to do, separate eggs I've used the wrong bowl. Think I can get some sugar in as well. Last time I made this, I did 4 egg whites, that's 300 grams of sugar, and then a ton of butter. So I think this can go in here. I know it seems bonkers. Then we start whisking them up. I have no idea really what James is aiming to make here. What have I done? Have I ruined that?
Barry, stop whisking.
Oh yeah, stop. That is a good point. That was just, sorry Dan. I'm gonna have to give myself a 4 out of 10, because I could have done better. Ben!
Something smells good already. Dare I open it? I can smell it. I think I'm gonna have a peek. That looks good. It's charred around the edges, but I think we've got there a sponge. Whatever we use it for, we're gonna want it cold, so let's get it on a wire rack. We've got lime. Rhubarb and lime? Really? So rhubarb is really sour. I don't think that's been sweetened, but that's okay. So there's a pastry out. That might be a clue. I wonder with this theme whether we're talking about pastries, as in pâtissière, or pastries as in must-have pastry. It's very possible that if we were to cut that out, 5 little discs, that could be the base to something that we tower and make wonderful. What's this though? Like a buttercream maybe, but I don't think we want a buttercream. So while I'm thinking about what's happening, I'm gonna do something productive. Don't know if it's been weighed out. It's gonna need an awful lot of butter for this amount. This is a time-consuming task. I'm not sure if this is the best use of a chef's 10 minutes. But the clues were left, so I'm going with it. Okay, if I don't do something, this is gonna be cut.
Oh dear.
I think that's what that was for, because rhubarb is not looking very rhubarb coloured, which it quite often isn't if you cook it out like that. Okay, let's make a rhubarb puree. We'll get it nice and smooth. That absolutely needs to cool down and quickly, but that fridge is full. Let's hope the freezer has some space. With 42 seconds, I need to give Mike, who's next, a clue. The bottom of this is going to be sponge. With sponge in the bottom, we can then fill it with some of the rhubarb puree. He'll get that it's somewhere, especially if I put ice there. Freezer, rhubarb. He's going to finish it with this, which if I had more time, I would also have got into the... That was a waste of 10 minutes. 4 out of 10. Mike!
Okay. So we have a batter. Eggy, buttery batter.
I can't tell if he liked that.
Okay, we've got sponge in a circle with a little bit of rhubarb on it. What are we doing? Icy water?
Think about this, Mike.
I need to base it. I need to do something. So maybe, where's the rhubarb? That is tart. Okay, rhubarb. This is a buttercream, and it is not buttercreamish at all. It's a cake, it's not a pastry. Like, where's the pastry? There's the pastry. Did we forget to do the pastry?
More like ignored.
It's too late. What's happening with this? This is so runny. I'm just gonna, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna chuck it in. I think it needs some more butter. I've ruined it.
Yes, Mike. Barry's making enough for 50 pastries, it seems. You'll need another whole block.
Please thicken, I beg you. Oh no. Oh my goodness, this is not working. Please thicken. I am panicking hard. Right, that's not doing anything and I don't care. Look, here we go. Right, let's do something, Mike. Come on. Oh, poor Jamie. I've never said that in my life. Let's layer this up. I'm really worried about that cream.
You and me both, Mike.
I'm going to put a layer of rhubarb here. I assume that's what I'm supposed to do. Looks are everything, so I'm going to wipe the insides of these because they need to be clean. This is really worrying me. It's too runny. I don't know whether it needs any more butter. I don't know what it needs. Screw it. Do you know what? It's going in. Right, let's get a baking tray. If Jamie thinks that that's got to go in the oven, I'm going to cry. No, that's it. He's going to have to move those. Oh no. I'm going to do him one. This is terrible. This is probably the worst fail we've ever had. He is in big trouble. I'm going to have to give myself a minus score. Like, I don't deserve anything except for below a 0, so I'm going to have to go for a 0. Jamie! Right,
That's a sponge cake. Give that an eat. We have, what are they? We have 5 circular things. This is a very tart rhubarb. Where's the pastry? Is the pastry already inside here?
Jamie? Oh, he got lucky that didn't fall on his face.
We've not made pastry in a pastry challenge. Oh no! Oh no! What? Oh. No, that's going in the bin, that one. I'm gonna wash this. There's no pastry! Are we taking pastry to mean patisserie? Right, I've got 1 of those. Whatever is left of that rhubarb puree can go in there. We cannot use that. That is gone. We're gonna have to do something else. Ah! Right, what have we got in here? Cream cheese and sugar beaten together. We can do this. We can do this. We can do something. So flavours-wise, we've got sponge and we've got a massively tart rhubarb. So it's okay if this is sweet. We need some freshness. I saw limes somewhere. Where did I see limes? Limes?
Behind you, Jamie.
I'm sure I saw limes. Janice! Limes. Okay, so we've got this. Can I pipe that on? No. Oh, no. I can't do that yet. We need something to plate these up on. How am I going to get... Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. What am I doing here? Sure. I'm going to get in so much for this.
Looks are everything.
Oh, I'm so sorry. The problem didn't start with me. The problem was already here. That's just disappearing into the rhubarb there, so... The brief was 5 identical pastries. We have 5 semi-identical cakes. I'm gonna give myself a 3.
I'm nervously excited for this.
I'm not holding high hopes.
I am dreading this.
Okay.
It might be the worst thing I think we've ever done.
I've never seen anything like it.
In this pastry Pass It On challenge, the boys have created 5 identical cakes, topped with a rhubarb and lime puree, a sweetened cream cheese frosting, and lime zest.
I knew it was going to be bad.
It's a shame it's on a plate that's tilting
What?
inwards.
Why is it on a tilting plate?
It was pretty disastrous from the start, and we all contributed to more of a car crash.
It's like a horrible twist on what I wanted.
If you had something like this in mind, where's the pastry?
It's 5 pastries. It's not pastry. Like little dainty petit fours.
Right.
That's what I had in mind.
I think that's been lost somewhere along the way.
So James did sponge.
Here's a sponge. There was rhubarb chopped on a board. Got that just bubbling away. Squeeze a lime.
Into sour rhubarb went lime juice.
It's the flavour triangle, Ben. Come on.
I love that somebody put that into a piping bag.
Shall we eat this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's slopping everywhere.
Cheers.
Save that for later.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. It's tart.
Has that rhubarb seen any sugar?
No.
It's not a bad sponge.
That's a lovely sponge. I can't taste it over the rhubarb.
Had the rhubarb puree been folded into a cream cheese or a meringue buttercream, had that succeeded, that might have worked.
I genuinely think, taking some of the learnings from today, that we can make sure that this never happens again. We've just got to really think about these things.
You really shouldn't promise that to anyone.
It's so true.
My presentation is terrible. It always has been terrible, and I need to work on that. And I could have looked at things like texture and gone, it's missing something crunchy.
This might not be the platform to try something new. Stick to what you know and try and take it as far as you can, and don't just leave it for the next person to work it out.
Well, what did you score yourself, mate?
Oh, I fully expected this to be a failure, so I scored myself a 4.
I scored myself a very generous 4 on reflection, and it is also a miserable, miserable fail.
It's also very much a fail, and I gave myself a 4.
I scored myself a 0. I did nothing. I put the rhubarb on top of there. I didn't even taste it.
I scored myself a 3. It's a fail.
It's a resounding fail.
It's definitely a fail.
We're going to be better next time. I say that every time. We're going to be better next time.
I knew we'd peaked with crock and bouche.
Peaked on crock and bouche.
No, we're never going to bash that.
Outside of this stupid format, we do actually make good stuff. Promise. One of which is our brand new club book, CBA2. It's the next iteration of our bestseller, Can't Be Asked to Cook, and is packed full of recipes, kitchen cheats, and hacks for when you just CBA. Members with the book upgrade, we're getting ready to ship yours at the end of this month, and everyone else is available on pre-sale now. These are going to go quick, so make sure you don't miss out. And now for a blooper.
I picked what I thought was a beautiful, round, flat plate that we've got, black flat plate. What I realised at that point was there was not the same amount of rhubarb puree on top of each cake. One of them had 3 times the amount of rhubarb puree on as any of the others. So as soon as I put it on the plate, all the rhubarb puree went and slid over off the cake.
That was the one that you did.
No, it wasn't. Oh, no. Was it that one?